with the support from Mr. Sulamat, Chairman UFUA MUAEC and his team. And UFUA CUC have been helping us put up Albrecht's much information at all the residence communities notice board at HDB blocks, so that residents in UFUA can get first-hand information about Albrecht. We also want to expand our Albrecht UFUA family bigger to not just only football. We are looking to be involved with UFUA in other sports such as swimming, running, and so on, so that we can be a full-fledged sports club in UFUA. Albrecht is very serious about reaching out to the local community, despite being a foreign club. In fact, we always view ourselves as a local club and doing all the things that the local club would do.
We really appreciate Albrecht for extending the partnership to the second year. Indeed, we really value the partnership because, like what the chairman has said, this is the only estate club that is involved in community and also donation back to the community. And it's in the second year so far. The rest, even the local estate clubs, doesn't do that. Okay, so really an achievement for Albrecht. So our commitment to Albrecht is we'll continue to really publicize all the local matches through all medias that is under the UFUA GROs. First is the thing is for them, what we want to achieve for them is really to get as many spectators as possible. Hopefully this will spur the players to better performance on the field. And who knows, come end of season 2014, Albrecht will be crowned the champion of Estate 2014, and we will look forward to celebrate with them.
So we're quite happy with this cooperation. As you can see later on, that there has been some collaboration, not just about supporting each other financially, Albrecht donating to the community, but also the fact that I think we're also involved in joint development of talent from a very young age. I think that's the more exciting part for us.